Hello friends, welcome to Yoga with Shelly. In today's video, we are going to see stretches for the shoulders and your upper back. Before we start the practice, few things. We need a yoga strap for this, something like this. If you don't have a yoga strap, that's fine. You can use a dupatta or a scarf, whatever you have at your home. And also during the practice, at any point of time, if you feel the stretch is coming too much on your shoulders, then you can always reduce the intensity. How we are going to increase or decrease the intensity, that we will see in the video. Okay, so before we start, what are the benefits of this practice? This will actually increase the range of motion of your shoulders, increase the flexibility of your shoulders, and these stretches will also help you to stretch your upper back and the chest region. So some of you, if you feel that your upper back is rounded sometimes or it's hunched back, then you can also you can always do these stretches. The first stretch is hold the strap in between your palms. Make sure the distance between the palms is neither too wide nor it is too less. Okay, to start with, let's start with easy. If you are going to keep it far, then the intensity of the stretch is little less, which is fine to start with. So let's keep our palms somewhere here. Make sure your elbows are not bending and your rope is always tight. You should hold it with a pressure so that it's never like this. So we start with bringing our arms up, raise your arms over the head, and now bring your right hand down. Keeping your elbows straight, hold here for a few seconds and bring it back to the center. And then bring your left arm down. You can stay here for a few seconds. Whenever you are comfortable, bring your arms back. Now, since after your first round, you will be able to understand the distance between your palms. If you want to reduce this distance slightly without giving too much of strain on your shoulders, then you can reduce the distance. With your inhalation, you can bring your palms up and repeat the same thing. Bring your right arm down. Make sure your elbows are not bending. Make sure the rope is tight enough. Hold here for some time. Bring your arms back to the center and bring your left hand down. Now as you do this, one important thing is you don't take your chest back. Please don't do this where your shoulder is going back. This will reduce the range of motion of your shoulders. You will keep your both shoulders in line and stay here. Hold it tight and bring your palms back to the center. You can repeat this couple of times, maybe to start off 10 counts on each side and 2 rounds, and eventually as you start becoming comfortable with this stretch, you can increase the number of counts and rounds. The second stretch, since after the first stretch you will be little comfortable with the strap, so now we can actually try to reduce the distance slightly. Hold your strap tightly and bring your arms up. Stay here and see if you can take your arms slightly back to the point where you feel a good stretch on your shoulders. You can hold here for a few counts. The important thing over here is, as we do this, our shoulders are tight. So our chest will try to come to the front. So try to avoid that. Keep your back straight and tall. Again, being mindful with your body. Stay where you are comfortable. You can hold here for a few counts and then slowly bring it back. You can do this 2 rounds, maybe 30 seconds each round to start with. Second round, you can try to reduce the distance. And inhale up. Hold here for some more time. And once you finish your 30 seconds, you can release the arm down. This was your second stretch for the shoulders. Third stretch, keep your strap somewhere back. Hold your strap. Adjust the distance between your palms. Sit tall and bring your arms up. As as much as you can and where you feel a good stretch. Now remember, it should be a good stretch. That means neither too much nor too less. And as you do this, watch your palms. Your arms will not be able to come that high, which is okay. With regular practice and dedication towards the practice, things will improve and your arms will start coming little higher. That is what yoga is. Slow, gradual progress. Being mindful towards your body at the same time. You can stay here for a few counts. Also, while doing this, if you are leaning forward, try to avoid that. Bring your chest back. Once you finish your 30 counts, you can release this. And maybe you can do one more round as per your body allows. The next stretch is also a very effective stretch for your shoulders. But remember, only if you were comfortable for the last 3 stretches, then I will advise you to go for the 4th stretch. If you feel too much the last 3 stretches, stick to those 3 stretches for a few days. And as you start becoming comfortable, then after maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you can start doing this only if you are comfortable. So, to try off. And also to increase and decrease the intensity, we always can adjust the distance between the palms. So let's start somewhere over here. Bring your arms up, raise your arms up and bring your arms all the way back. Don't lean forward, sit tall, bring your arms all the way up and all the way down. Do this couple of times. Now as you bring your arms up and you start taking your arms back, there will be a point where you will feel too much of tightness. Maybe you have to increase the distance at that point if it is too much. If you still feel tightness, then focus on your breath, go slow, try not to bend your elbows. Try not to come out with a jerk. Don't do this. Try to keep your elbows. If required, increase the distance even more. Your strap should be really tight and your elbows should not bend. See me one more time from the side profile. You will bring your arms up and all the way back without bending your elbows, without any jerk. If you are jerking your elbows or your shoulders, that is not good. That might cause some pain. One more time. All the way up. Bring your arms all the way back. Look front. Bring your arms all the way up over the head and all the way down. This is very, very good for your arms, shoulders and your upper back. Try doing this every day if you have very tight shoulders or alternate days as you want to. Thank you so much. I hope you all liked the video. If you liked the video and you found it useful, please share it and subscribe to the channel Yoga with Sherry.